In this video, I will show you how to remove external links on your YouTube channel. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store on iPhone. But if you are using Android phone, open up your Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, go ahead. Then go ahead and click on search. Then click on search app and type in YouTube Studio. Hit on search. Then go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. Then here you go. All you have to do is to make sure you download and install YouTube Studio. After a successful download and install YouTube Studio, go ahead and hit on open. If you are logging in for the first time, you will be asked to enter your YouTube username password. After that, it's going to take you to your YouTube channel. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this profile icon from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this pencil icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this pencil icon. Then here you go. At this point here, you can check on a particular link you want to remove. Like for instance, if I want to remove my social media links like Instagram. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on this pencil icon. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on remove. Remove link. All you have to do at this point here is to simply go ahead and click on remove. And you are done. It's that simple. Lastly, go ahead and click on save right here. Boom. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.